Paintology brings back the fun of drawing and painting just like traditional mediums. If you master core fundamental skills in art, like you did with traditional mediums, you can draw easily with Paintology. Here are some drawings made with the Paintology app, using just 1 or 2 brushes. No need to use hundreds of tools, you draw just like you would with traditional materials. The app is available free from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you will have access to over 600 tutorials with super fun drawing exercises such as paint by numbers. While you do the drawing, you will be developing core art skills that are essential to good drawings. There are many types of drawings such as pencil drawings, trace drawing, intermediate and more. All designed to make drawing and painting fun and interesting, but building those core art skills. Many tutorials will also have videos which you can toggle back and forth while you do the drawing. Go ahead, download the Paintology app for your Android phone or tablet. Learn digital drawing, the way it was meant to be.
Thank you.